How to make plantain lasagna. Let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with others. I use Adobo seasoning, parsley flakes, Kingsford sweet and salty seasoning, Impossible plant-based meat, cilantro, ginger, bell pepper, and garlic, and also spinach. In a food processor, I combined cilantro, purple onion, ginger, bell pepper, and garlic. Process on high for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now your diced vegetables should look like this. Transfer to a bowl, or you could just directly put the diced vegetables in the pan from the food processor. You want to saute the diced vegetables. I added Kingsford sweet and salty seasoning. You want to mix well. For about 7 to 8 minutes. Then I added the meat with also the adobo seasoning. Mix the ingredients well. I sliced 7 to 8 plantains. Fry until brown and tender. Be careful not to overcook the plantains. Set aside, and we are ready to assemble the lasagna. Add your marinara sauce and your plantains. Add your seasoned meat. And then add a layer of spinach, add a layer of cheese, add your marinara sauce, add your plantains, add more seasoned meat, add more spinach, add another layer of cheese, and sliced olives. Bake at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Dinner is served. You can serve with a salad and some French bread. Thank you for watching.